Hello everyone, I'm out here again at Blackwoods Nursery up in Richmond, and I'm just really enjoying looking at all these plants that I seldom get to plant down in hot humid Durban. These plants seem to thrive so much better up here where it's generally much cooler, although you wouldn't know it by the heat today. I think they're predicting temperatures of up to like 38 degrees. But I just wanted to draw your attention to a little plant that is often overlooked in gardens. It's called Helichrysum cymosum. Let me just show it to you here. It's a beautiful little plant. Gets this grey foliage, and which serves as a perfect backdrop to these little yellow flowers. These flowers, it's actually a cluster of little flowers. So you can actually see each one of those little things is a flower. And the name Helichrysum actually comes from two words, heli meaning sun and chrysum, which means gold, and cymosum is, I think it relates to something to do with the sort of cluster of flowers or the way the flowers are shaped. But it's just such a beautiful little plant, and it usually flowers in summer and can get quite tall if it's got something to sort of grow onto. It'll scramble over things, but it's such a beautiful plant, and definitely something you should look to plant if you've got a very sunny spot in your garden. They also look quite spectacular when they're growing in a garden where there's a lot of grass, in amongst a sort of far more natural looking garden. But I just love the fact that somebody is paying attention to this plant that is generally overlooked. Helichrysum are this incredible group of plants that have medicinal properties. They're often used for pain relief, all kinds of things, but it's an overlooked plant that's indigenous to South Africa and would do so much better in gardens if we gave it a chance. So if you get an opportunity, you should definitely plant some Helichrysum. There's quite a few varieties that are commercially available, but otherwise they probably grow quite easily from cuttings. You could take a little slip and try planting it in some probably very sandy soil. Definitely something worth planting. Anyway, hope you like this little spotlight. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe and share them with somebody you think might enjoy them. Otherwise, happy gardening.